Hi and welcome to Hi Miss Family Favorites. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make cannoli cream and how to fill these beautiful homemade cannoli. First, you're going to need some ricotta cheese. This is 15 ounces of whole milk ricotta. I like to use the I'm never going to say this right, the Galbani brand of ricotta cheese. I use whole milk kind. I find that it's the smoothest out there because sometimes if you get ricotta that's really grainy, it will taste grainy in your cannolis. You can make homemade ricotta, which is delicious and I recommend it. But if you're in a pinch, this is the best brand that I found. So again, we're going to start with 15 ounces of whole milk ricotta. So to our whole milk ricotta, we're going to add 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese. A cup and a half of powdered sugar. 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. And 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. And then we'll cream this all together. Once you've added all the ingredients together, you're going to want to go ahead and fold that in. And in just a minute, once this is thoroughly combined, we are going to add 1 cup of whipped cream and a 1/2 cup of mini chocolate chips to our cannoli cream. All right, so now that our cream filling is thoroughly mixed and most of those lumps are out from our mascarpone cheese, we are going to take our whipped cream. This is 1 cup of whipped cream that I've whipped. I did sweeten it a little bit and put a little bit of vanilla in it, just because. And we're going to go ahead and add that, along with 1/2 of a cup of mini chocolate chips. And then we're just going to fold all of these delicious ingredients together. And then we'll get ready to fill our shells. Okay, I'm going to show you an awesome trick to filling a piping bag. I'm going to take some cling wrap or saran wrap or whatever you want to call it. Now you're going to spoon your filling right onto the cling wrap. Our spatula out of the way here. Set our bowl out of the way. All right, now we're going to just take this, basically wrap it both ends. All right, I'm going to take our piping bag. This is an 18-inch piping bag with a really large tip on the end. You can see that. And we're just going to gently lift this up and in. Kind of shake it down in there. And our piping bag is perfectly full. It's an amazing trick and I use it every time. So next, we're just just gonna take a cannoli shell and we're gonna fill it with our piping bag just till the ends come out. Do both ends. And then we're gonna dip it in either crushed pistachios or mini chocolate chips. And there's your cannoli. You can also just do a plain one. So hopefully you can see this amazing plate of homemade cannoli for your guests to enjoy. For more delicious recipes, check out our website at HighnessFamilyFavorites.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel and never miss another recipe.